ceramic pot like this one, and then I put some paper towel on the bottom. The paper towel is just so that none of my powder goes through it. The paper towel will be gone by the end of this reaction. It will burn up to a crisp almost instantly. Now, this is the aluminum. This is our reaction itself. So this is the iron oxide is the red stuff, and then the little bits of silver that you see, that's the aluminum powder. So iron oxide is rust. That's all it is. It's just rust. And so this is the powder that we'll be using for the reaction. Now I'm going to dump this in first.
Oh my god, my eyes are...
Yep.
Okay, so there's that. Now, as we know, there's a few other components. What's the purpose of the potassium permanganate and glycerin? Who remembers? Abby?
To ignite the reaction.
Specifically to ignite what part?
To...
The magnesium strip.
Good, the magnesium strip, exactly.
Yay. I got this guy.
So the potassium permanganate is exactly the reaction that we did last week.
I love that I will guide you in the background.
Yeah.
It's gonna make a nice video.
So this is a strip of magnesium, and I can hold this one with my hands because it's an alkaline earth metal, so it's not as reactive as a alkali metal would be. And what I'm doing is I'm just sticking it right into the middle. So why don't you guys come and see what it looks like beforehand? I haven't lit it yet, so it won't start yet. So I've just got the powder, and then I'm putting almost like a birthday candle. This is my birthday candle, I guess. I put that magnesium strip right in the center, and then the potassium is right there. That's the potassium permanganate, the dark. And I'm going to add the glycerin, and the glycerin is what's going to start it all. Okay, now go back.
Let's fireworks begin.
Now this is a very quick reaction. Once it takes a little while to start, but once it gets going, it takes a few seconds and it's done. I'm actually going to push this back. Okay, everyone needs to stay behind that yellow line. Good.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, are all of our cameras on and running?
Facebook. Yes.
Okay.
Facebook.
This is the glycerin.
It's already turned out.
We just got to give it a moment. It'll start smoking first, and that'll be the potassium permanganate igniting. And then it's just going to get really bright.
Oh, there you go.
There it goes. Once the potassium permanganate lights, there it is.
Oh my god.
Nice.
All of that fire that we see right now, that's the actual aluminothermic reaction, and we need to give it a few moments because last time it sparked a little bit. Okay, come quick. We can see the molten iron. Especially you guys with cameras, get a picture of the glowing iron. That is molten. That was iron that was a liquid and is now cooling off. You can see that the outside of the, it's full of all of this kind of whitish powder. So everything that we see there on the bottom, that's all iron. And actually, some of it dripped out to the bottom too. We can see that as well. So that's our aluminothermic reaction. That reached almost the temperatures of the surface of the sun just now.
That was so worth 10 minutes of my time.
I'm glad, Jesse. Okay, any questions about what we just saw? Once you back away from the reaction, you can take your goggles off.
Oh. Oh.
Very bad.